Alright, so here's the smoke machine that I made. This is what it looks like. And basically it's just a glass jar, a sock, and a soldering iron, and some pen tubes to use. And then here's my bicycle pump. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of baby oil because that makes a lot of smoke. Then I'm going to turn this thing on and I'm going to pump that smoke into the engine, and we're going to look for some vacuum leaks because what will happen is the smoke will go in, and if there's anywhere where there's like a loose seal O-ring, anything like that, the smoke will come right out. So let's see what happens. Okay, so what ends up happening here is the smoke machine, I'm going to move this just for a second. As you can see here, it's going to start building up smoke as that soldering iron heats up. Then you use the bicycle pump to force the smoke into the throttle body, and we're going to see comes up. So there's like a little bit of smoke developing. That means it is getting hot, it's fogging up, and in a minute it should be all smoky with white smoke. And let's get back here. I'll just show you real quick. This soldering iron is a little cheap, but just to show you the smoke, you see it exiting from the top, it's pushing it out. Well, it's going to go down that tube, it's going to do the same thing going into the engine. And that's what's going to give us our smoke test. I have to fix the seal on that because I've used it before, and you know, part of the heat and everything, it gets a little worn out. So let's see here. All right, our little chamber is full of white smoke. Oh baby. All right, let's check this out. What we need to do is fill this up, if you can see it there. And at the same time, we're going to need to open the throttle body because the smoke is coming in. Okay, and let's go. We'll pump that smoke into the engine. Now we got a little bit of smoke coming from around the fitting here because it's slipping out, but it is going into the engine. And if we have it anywhere else, it should show up. Now let's see. Okay, I'm not seeing anything because normally it would come out through your O-rings here. I'm not seeing anything anywhere else. So, okay. Got some coming out from the bottom underneath the throttle body, so it could be throttle body gasket. Alright, we'll make a move on that. And that's basically the smoke test. As you can see there, smoke is coming out. And take a look down here. Look at all that smoke. Yeah. Alright, so moving on. set that to the side. We're going to continue on. We got some things to remove here. Quite a bit of stuff to get out of the way. And then, like I said, as I'm going through it, I'll identify it, name it, keep moving.